Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we're going to talk about how to change your Valorant region. So after opening your browser, type Riot Support. Now go to the official Riot Game Support website and make sure to log in to your account. Now scroll down at the bottom of this page, submit a ticket and click on Valorant. Now choose a request type. It should be account management. Choose it yet again. Now the submission page will come. For subject, I'll type region change. Inquiry should be account management. Description, I'll just say hello. I would like to play with my friends in another region. Please change my region. Thank you. Now you can also attach any document and now click submit. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.